Hi there, I'm Nancy, the hygienist at Lakefront Family Dental. I'll be demonstrating a cleaning today. I'll be starting off with an electronic high frequency hand scaler, and then we'll finish off with the hand scalers towards the end. So this is kind of like a power jet that uses water to diminish the heat from the high frequency, and you use it to break down tartar buildup as well as stains on the teeth. So I usually start off the cleaning with that. It also helps kill bacteria underneath the gums. You want to show. Alright, I'll just get to the front piece here. So I go slightly underneath the gum, and go around the tooth and in between the teeth. So I do the entire mouth with the instrument, and then we go with the hand scalers. So we're removing plaque and tartar buildup on the teeth from below the gum line, as well as against the tooth, and sometimes the root surfaces for people that have gum disease. I have a couple of instruments. They all do different jobs. So some of them go around the tooth and some of them go in between. We also have instruments with longer shanks on them to get deeper into the gums for people that have deeper gums. And then we finish off with a polish. Turn towards right. Thank you. So that's some plaque there. Let's circulate it. So for people who are sensitive, we may need to freeze the gums. We use Orchix here, and for severe cases we'll use local anesthetic, which is the same anesthetic they use prior to fillings. Cleaning is typically between 45 minutes to an hour on adults. We also clean around crowns and implants. we'll do another video for polishing. And thanks for watching us. We're located in Burlington, Ontario. If you live nearby, we're a great office. We do implants here, Invisalign. So you can call us if you would like to book an appointment. I don't have them. So our number is 905-635-1100. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.